This is a review of Logitech k230 wireless keyboard. In the package you can find the keyboard itself. Inside you can find manual, unifying part for the PC, and the keyboard itself. Inside the keyboard are batteries and 3 changeable color sort of thingies on the side. The keyboard is rather flexible. Looks really nice in person. It's sort of like soft, or you can bend it a bit. I don't know whether it's visible. Right? The only thing I would say is not very smart are the arrow keys, which are rather small. Right? But for the home users it should be fine. Concerning the cost of the keyboard, this is fun, and let's see how it works. The special thing about the unifying the thingy for the PC is that you can plug up to 5 devices all at once, or if you have multiple keyboards or multiple mice or something, you can just use this small thingy, put it inside the PC, and it can all work together.